please proceed to observe the party seatbelt sign until the captain has switched it off. Really recommend for your comfort and safety that you keep it getting faster around the flight. Please take care when having overhead longer devices may fall out and cause injuries. There's a cool bar, breeze line and fresh air balance panel just above your head. But that your most strictly non-smoking flash excludes e-cigarettes and vaping. And also this video is smoke detectors. These also strictly prohibit drinks or alcohol on board. There's one toilet at the front of the cabin, two at the back, and one on the back on the right is the one with the vaping chairs and facilities. We shortly starting flight service, so we've got food pre-orders, drinks and snacks are duty free. On our flight, we do accept card payments, but for now we just ask you to sit back, relax, enjoy your flight with us. Thank you.